Yes, people, you are searching for a comparison between GoodNotes 6 and Notion. And you found it. We're gonna compare Notion versus GoodNotes 6 in terms of usability, features, pricing. We give you some pros and some cons, and then we give you a clear conclusion at the end. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for future updates. So let's dive into my computer and let's compare GoodNotes 6 versus Notion. So people, welcome back to my computer, and first we're gonna go over the features. And the features of GoodNotes 6 are the following features. We have the handwrite recognition, allows for seamless writing and converting handwritten notes to text. We have the PDF annotation, easily annotate PDFs and other documents. We have the notebook organizations, create multiple notebooks with customizable covers and dividers. Search functionality, search through handwritten notes, typed text and PDF annotations. The iCloud sync, synchronize notes across all iOS devices. The multimedia insertion, add images, audio recognitions and diagrams. The Notion app has the following features. The all-in-one workspace combines notes, tasks, databases and calendars. The templates, extensive library of templates for various use cases. The collaboration, it's real-time collaboration with members and from your team. So that's pretty nice. The customizable pages, create and customize pages with different content blocks. So like text, to-do lists, tables and databases, etc. Cross-platform, available on iOS, Android, macOS, Windows and web. The integration integrates with numerous third-party apps and services. Okay, something important in the next section is the pricing. GoodNotes 6 costs one-time purchase for $8 for one time, of course. I already told that. On iOS with occasional discounts available. There are in-app purchases. Additional features and templates are available for purchase within the app. So Notion includes basic features with limited blocks. That's the free plan. We have the personal plan for $4 per month. It's unlimited blocks and advanced features. We have the team plan for $8 per user per month. So if you have a team of 10 people, that will be $80, of course. So you have their collaboration tools and team-specific features. The enterprise plan is a custom pricing for large organization with advanced security and support. Well, something about the usability. GoodNotes 6. GoodNotes 6 is designed with a focus on handwritten notes and digital annotation. The interface is intuitive for tablet users, especially those using a stylus. The ability to organize notes into different notebooks and sections make it an ideal tool for students, professionals and anyone who prefers handwriting over typing. Notion provides a highly flexible and customizable interface. Users can create pages and databases to fit their specific needs, whether for personal use or team collaboration. The learning curve can be steep due to its extensive features, but the flexibility and power it offers make it suitable for a wide range of use. From note-taking to project management, so that's wide. We have set up some pros and cons for you, so you can compare them and choose what's the best for you. Then we go over to the summary and recommendation, and then we end this tutorial. So first, the pros and the cons. GoodNotes 6, some pros. It's excellent for handwriting notes and annotations. The intuitive interface for stylus users. The robust organizational features. Powerful search functionality for handwritten notes, iCloud synchronization for seamless access across devices, but it also has some cons. The cons is limited to iOS and macOS devices, not ideal for extensive typing or collaborative work. And of course, the Notion pros, then you have the highly flexible and customizable workspace. It combines multiple productivity tools in one platform, real-time collaboration features, extensive template library, and cross-platform availability. There are some cons of Notion. Steeper learning curve for new users. The free plan has limited blocks and features, and it can be overwhelming due to its extensive capabilities. Well, then we have the summary and recommendations. And it's of course about GoodNotes 6 and Notion, and they offer valuable features for productivity. So don't worry, whatever you choose, GoodNotes and Notion, they both offer valuable. But are you gonna pay for it or don't you gonna pay for it? That's more the question. They serve different purposes and user preferences. Well, you have to choose GoodNotes 6 if you prefer handwritten notes and digital annotations. If you are an iOS or macOS user and you need a robust tool for organizing notes and PDFs, you appreciate an intuitive interface and designed for stylus input, and you have to choose Notion if you are if you need an all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and project management. You work on a multiple platform like iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, and web, and for real, if you have multiple people in your team with they work from home, and one is working from macOS, one is working from Android, one is working from Linux, whatever. So that would be a need if you choose for Notion. So that's nice. You require real-time collaboration with team members. You want a highly customizable tool to fit various personal and professional needs. So Notion is highly professional. Ultimately, the choice between GoodNotes 6 and Notion will depend on your specific needs, workflow, and preferred methods of note-taking. Both platforms have their strengths and can be excellent choices depend on what you're looking for. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope this detailed comparison of GoodNotes 6 and Notion has helped you decide which productivity app is the best for your needs. If you found today's video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube video. And the choice between GoodNotes 6 and Notion it depends on your specific needs. Well, again, we wish you a very pleasant day, and good luck with the choice between Notion and GoodNotes 6. Thank you for listening, and see you in the future. Thank you. Bye bye.